everybody, it's me Sapphire, and today I'm going to be making pizza, so we're at the shops to get some ingredients. Let's start shopping. I've got my list, so now we can start shopping. I think it's that one.
Go on. There it is. Better. I noticed something not on the pizza list. I noticed that must be for dessert.
So we've got everything we need, and now what we're going to do is go home and start cooking. First, we've got to wash our hands. Then dry them. And then put our aprons on. So we're all ready to begin now. Logan's doing his and I'm doing mine, and these are all the ingredients. So first we're going to need this passata to put on. Let's get a spoonful of that and splodge. Now we have to get the cheese. So the next one we're going to be putting on is pepperoni and ham. So pepperoni first. Pizza. Now we're going to put the sweet corn on, because I'm doing a mix and match pizza, so I've got lots of different stuff on it. Now we're putting the pineapple on. So the oven's already warmed up, so I can put my pizza in there. Here we have the end result of the pizza. It tastes amazing, and you should do this at home. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my dad's channel.